Welcome to another edition here at the Brizy YouTube channel of Cool Tips. And in today's video, we're just going to look at something very basic but a good tip to keep under your hat for when it comes a calling. And that is how to apply bold and italics to separate parts of a sentence or a phrase, just to a word or to a smaller part within an entire paragraph. Because if you don't know, you may be confused at how it should be done. I have this piece here on a About Us page, and within this paragraph, I want to maybe, put the author or the name of this person here in bold, and then maybe a few parts of this text, I want to put it in italics. Let's go edit the page with Brizy, and I'll show you how to do that correctly so you don't get confused as to why is this happening, why is that happening. Scroll down to our text. If I click on my text element, it brings up the toolbar for us. So if I click here on T, you will see all the normal functions for the typography styling that I get. Over here, though, is our bold and italic. So why is this separate to this? Everything here applies to the entire text element. So if I change my normal weight here to bold, it's going to apply it to all of my text. There's no way you can individually select words and only apply certain stylings to them, like different fonts or different weights. This is to the entire element. So how can I get this guy, Richard McClintock? Let's make the screen a little bit bigger. How can I get Richard McClintock to be in bold? And this is where the bold and the italics options come in here within the toolbar. If I click within the element and I click on the B, this is going to happen. Everything is going to go bold. And if I click again on it, it's going to deactivate the bold setting. Same for the I for italics. You see, everything becomes italics, and now it's back. This may confuse you and think, but hey, so how do I do that? It's as simple as click within the paragraph, select the part that you want to put in bold, and now click on the B for bold, right? So you have to select it. Let's say there's a quote over here, or this, The Extremes of Good and Evil by Cicero. You want to put this in italics, you select it, and then you click on the I for that. Be careful, if you click again here and you click on the B, everything will go again to B. And now if you reset it, you will lose all that formatting. So go first to your T for typography, make sure you style this the way you would like it to be, and then you go and get those individual phrases. Let me just get that R as well. And then you go ahead and you put them in the formatting of either bold or italics. That's a great tip for you on the Cool Tips Tuesday. JP here, and see you in next week's Cool Tips Tuesday. Make sure you subscribe here to our YouTube channel. Also come and have a conversation with us on the Facebook community and check out the latest news on our website at brizy.io.